Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to delete a purchase invoice in Xero. This is a useful skill when you need to remove incorrect or duplicate invoices from your records, keeping your accounting clean and accurate. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Xero.com. Once you're on the Xero homepage, you'll need to log in to your account using your registered email address and password. Make sure you have your credentials ready so you can access your account smoothly. After logging in successfully, you'll land on your Xero dashboard. From here, direct your attention to the top navigation bar where you'll find several menu options. Locate the purchase menu. This is where all your purchasing activities are managed, including bills and purchase orders that you've created. Click on the purchase menu and a drop-down selection will appear with various options related to your purchases. From this list, select Purchase Overview. This section gives you a comprehensive view of all your purchasing transactions, making it easy to manage and track your financial activities. Once you're in the Purchase Overview page, you'll see listed transactions for both bills and purchase orders. Look for the Purchase Orders section, and beside it, you'll notice a See All button. Click on this to view your complete list of purchase orders. This step ensures you can access all your orders rather than just a limited preview. You'll now be directed to a page displaying all your purchase orders in detail. Take a moment to browse through the list and locate the specific purchase order you wish to delete. Click directly on that purchase order to open it. Selecting the correct one is important to avoid accidentally deleting the wrong transaction. After clicking on your chosen purchase order, you'll be taken to the Transaction Overview page. This page shows all the details related to that specific order. At the top or side of the page, you'll see a button labeled Options with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this button to reveal an expanded menu with additional actions you can take. From the expanded options menu, look for and click on Delete. This action initiates the deletion process for the selected purchase order. Xero wants to make sure you're certain about this action since deleting removes the record from your system. A small confirmation window will appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to proceed with the deletion. This is a safety measure to prevent accidental deletions. Click on OK to confirm and complete the deletion of the purchase invoice. And that's it. Your purchase invoice has been successfully removed from your Xero account. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.